guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I don't know why I just said that. That's really weird, but it's okay. So how many of you went through? None! Jesus Christ. Oh my god, this girl's annoying sometimes. Just kidding. Yeah. Okay, so there's 3 more gifts, but you know what? I'm not going through that, so we're just recording, whether you like it or not. And by the way, we got 12 subscribers. Like, this is a prank. Like, oh my god. I'm gonna say recording mail time. Okay. So, okay. And then we have to do Osage. There's like 64 gifts on here, so. And then, pink in, there's like 16 pretty pink. There's like 16. And then, I don't remember the rest. Okay. So, basically, whoever wins, like, gets a drip top or whatever. There's a lot of gifts to go through, so I'm excited. Hold on. I'm gonna write a, like, list down because, like, I know I'm gonna forget. Hi, back. Guys, add this girl. She's really sweet. And yeah, so peace sign. Okay. Yeah. First is from Grace Lally, with like equal sign. Oh my god, it's so like grungy. Hold on. I have to wear all of this. Don't die. Okay, wear. X scar. Hold on. X scars. Yeah, I don't want to say the name because it's annoying. Oh my god. Isn't that like. No, that's not even a rare, I don't think. X scar, the same person. A list of rares. Is that a rare? I don't know. I like don't know anything about rares, like not gonna lie. Like I'm so bad with rares, like it's so annoying. But it's fine. So, oh my god, do that party girl. Thank you, you're a doll. I love you. Gothic or something like that. She sent a bunch of gifts, like a bunch. And like a lot of people went all out into us. Like this girl, thank you, that's a really cute rare. This girl like made a speed paint for us. She is so sweet. Like I can't remember her whole name, but like I'll like show you guys. But she is so sweet, thank you. Like and like you guys spammed us with gifts and it's like means so much to us because like oh my god, that's a rare, I'm pretty sure. So like I just want to say thank you. And if you don't win, I'm not even using the iPad, I mean notepad, but if you don't win, there's gonna be so many future giveaways. Like you do not, oh my god, that's a rare. There's gonna be so many future giveaways, like I don't even like understand, and there's gonna be so many opportunities to get these. I think these are animations. Yeah. But like, it's like, wow. And like, I know that we don't even like have like a fan base or whatever yet, or like, I don't even know if we will in the future, but like, for real, like, wow. Like, do you see like the amount that like, oh my, for real, guys. And also, if you don't win and you want your gifts back, I'll send them back. I don't know what Hannah's doing, but I know I'm sending them back. Because I feel bad if you send me your stuff to enter, like, a prize. And if you don't win, like, it just, like, sucks. It's just, like, a scam trade. Like, I would feel bad. So, yeah, thank you so much practically, like, with the heart. Honestly, like, these gifts like mean a lot for reals. Like this isn't just like me being like, oh my god, yeah. Like actually me and Hannah never would have thought that we would get this many gifts like in our entire okay, sorry, somebody called. But I forgot to mention I'm home from school today, so that's why I'm doing this mail time. And it might upload weird. I got a weird time. But like it's fine. Rare waffle. Oh my god, yes! But like, don't mind me, like, if I, like, don't know. Oh my god, no. You're so sweet. Hold a shush. Okay, that's an outfit. I'll have a top for that. Oh no, she sent another top somewhere. Let me... I don't think she did. Let me go make a look because I feel bad. Looks. We're gonna have a bunch of mail times. This is our first one, so giddy up. Let's see. Let me see a top. This would look so weird with like anything else. I'll just do that, and then we need to fix the shoes. Okay, I don't know why it just happened, but whatever. I'm gonna wear it. Okay, hold on. Go back. Gifts. Okay. Sahara Lands? Sorry if I like say these wrong. Little Mermaid. I don't know if that's a rare. Honestly, just comment. And also, like, if there's probably a gift limit, I'm gonna be sending back a lot of people's gifts. So, like, Jordan is cute 7. So, like, I'll tell you guys, like, if I, thank you. Like, I'll just tell you guys. Like, just comment down below. I don't want people spamming me. Please don't. Like, I'm trying. I'll like try to send back everything I can to people who actually want them. If you don't want them, then I'll keep it. Really not that good, but so amazing. Eva Grace Sandor, furry feet, my favorite. Stargirl. Oh my god! I don't know if that's a rare. Holy shite. Shite. Classic nomination. I don't think that's rare. Maybe it is. I think it is. Maybe it's not. Charlotte Victoria. I mean, I love the name Charlotte, so if her name's Charlotte, I love you. Okay, she sent a bunch of gifts. Oh, it's like velvet. I hate velvet. Like I do like it, but I hate it at the same time. Like, I just don't know how to explain it. Peachy. I think we need to make an outfit of this, because I think it calls for an outfit. And I think we're gonna do future mail time, so you guys should stay here, because, you know, we're just that good. So let me love you, come caress my body, you got me going crazy, turn me on, let me, I'm pretty sure those look rare, so I think they're rare. I have no idea. Sneaky socks, that's really hot. Straptastic. Nap queen, that's me, that's why I skipped school today. Just kidding, I had to fake being sick. The ruler. Honestly, for real, like, you guys are so sweet. Okay, I feel like Practically is one of the most, like, so far, like, who's been sending the most gifts, so I think that you're gonna win. Or, well, we have to base this off of my account, because we only have one drip top, and, like, we have to base all the gifts off of my account, Hannah's account, our backups, and, like, Osage, like, all these accounts, like, for reals. Like, it's gonna be a lot to handle. Shining Star. I feel like we're getting to the end, because this girl, like, was, like, the 40th person who sent or something. I love those guys so much. They're so cute. Fake rose tattoo. I'm pretty sure that's not a rare, right? Thank you. How many gifts did she send? Hold on. I'm not trying to waste your time. I don't. This girl sent 2 gifts. I don't really. No! Oh, I hate when that happens. Okay, it's fine. Pop-Tart Sweetie. By the way, ENJOYYY also, oh my god. Has a big chance of winning as well because she sent so many gifts, like you will see, it's crazy. Amber and Lila, or Leela, I'm sorry, honestly, I don't know how to talk. Cherry on top. Short survival. ENJOYYY. My friend Teddy. So we haven't gotten any room items, and I'm really friggin' surprised. I don't want to swear on here because little kids could be watching this, and I just don't want to ruin their lives. So. Animation! Thank you. Yeah, we're getting to the end, look. Yeah, we're getting to the end. Cool blues. Hashtag. I don't know how many minutes we have left. Hold on. I need to like pull this up. 11 minutes? I've been doing this for 11 minutes. Nautical or whatever the hell. Denim niceness. Colorful. Are these red or something? Oh my god, no you didn't. No you didn't. You did not just send me that. Oh my god, for real. Like, is this a prank? Wrap flap. Cool blues. Honestly, what is going on? Whoa. I love those. We got to the end, surprisingly. And the final gift. Shout out to her, by the way. Like, you should go at her. She's literally, like, for real, like, really, like, she, like, knows what she's doing. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to explain it. But, like, she was the first gifter. And she, like, sent so many gifts. Like, she was, like, I don't even know. She's just really sweet. Okay, I think it's time to do a wardrobe change. By the way, this account had, like, nothing on it before. Just letting you know. And now it has, like, 2 pages of clothes. So, thank you a lot. For real, like, what is going on? Okay, I like these shoes. I'm wearing these glasses, whether you like it or not. Are you joking? Oh my god, guys! You guys are crazy! Okay, hold on. Winners. Oh, yeah. Winners. Okay, my whole thing is hype except for the YouTube part. YouTube notified when we pick them will be in a time span of 1 to 4 days.